If you are a freelancer managing Google Ads for your clients, you already know how to run campaigns. But here is something nobody really talks about. The difference between a freelancer who charges $500 a month and one who charges $5,000 a month is not a talent. It's not even an experience. It is the level of optimization they bring to the table. And today I want to show you exactly what that looks like. I am Ram, a Google Ads specialist and the founder of Fuel Digital. I've been managing Google Ads account professionally for years, and I also run Digital Marketing by Aram, where I teach Google Ads to people who want to do this seriously. In this video, I will explain to you 5 important points you need to focus on to boost your freelance income as a Google Ads media buyer. So whether you are just starting out as a freelancer or you have been doing this for a while and want to level up, this one is for you. Stay with us till the end of the video so you don't miss a single chance to boost your income. Point number 1, stop just running ads, start optimizing them. Most freelancers set up a campaign, launch it, and then basically they just monitor it. They check if it's spending, maybe adjust a bit here and there, and send their client a report at the end of the month. That is not an optimization, that's babysitting. Real optimization means you are actively improving performance week on week. You are pruning search terms, testing ad copy, refining audiences, adjusting bids based on devices and time of the day data. You are making the account better every single week. And here is why this matters for your income. Clients who see constant improvement don't leave. Clients who feel like their account is just sitting there, they start questioning your value. Retention is income, optimization drives retention. Point number 2, learn to read the data, not just report it. So basically this is a big one. A lot of freelancers send their clients reports full of numbers, impressions, clicks, CTR, spend, and the client looks at it and has no idea what any of it means. And honestly, sometimes the freelancer does not fully know what the story the data is telling either. So the skill that will genuinely separate you from other freelancers is knowing how to read data and turn into decisions. Why did CPA spike this week? Was it a search term issue, a landing page issue, or a bidding issue? Which ad variation is actually driving conversions, not just clicks? What does the Auction Insights report tell you about your competition? So when you can answer these questions confidently and explain them to your client in plain language, you become invaluable, and invaluable freelancers charge more. Point number 3, always be testing something. The best Google Ads freelancer I know always have a test running. Always. It does not have to be complicated. It could be only 2 different headlines, 2 different CTAs, 2 different landing pages, but there is always something being tested. Because here is a thing, when you are constantly testing, you are constantly finding small improvements, and small improvements compound over the time into significantly better results. And when a client asks you, what are you working on this month? You have a real answer. You are not just managing, you are actively trying to make things better. That's a completely different conversation. That is the conversation that leads to referrals, to retainer increase, to long-term relationships. Point number 4 is specialize. Don't try to do everything. Here is something I wish someone has told me earlier. The more specific your expertise, the more you can charge for it. If you tell a client, I do all kinds of digital marketing, you like everyone else. But if you say, I specialize in Google Ads for e-commerce brands, or I specifically work with service-based businesses on lead generation through Google Ads, suddenly you are not a generalist anymore. You are an expert in their specific problem. Specializations make it easier to get clients, easier to get results because you are working on, and easier to justify high rates. You don't need to know everything. You need to know your niche really, really well. Point number 5, invest in your skill consistently. Google Ads changes constantly. Match types changes, bidding strategies evolve, new campaign types comes in, performance max being the big one right now. The algorithm gets updated. What worked 2 years ago might actually hurt you today. The freelancers who keep earning more year after year are the ones who keep learning. They stay ahead of the changes instead of scrambling to catch up when a client's results drop. And I'll be honest with you, this is exactly why I built my course at Digital Marketing by Ram. Because I kept seeing talented people plateau not because they lacked work ethic, but because they were working with outdated knowledge. The right training at the right time can genuinely change change the trajectory of your freelance career. So let me wrap this up. If you want to boost your freelance income with Google Ads, optimize actively, not passively, learn to read data and make decisions from it. Always have a test running, specialize in something specific, and never stop investing in your skill. These are not complicated things, but most freelancers are not doing all five, and that gap is exactly where your opportunity lives. If you want to go deeper on any of this, I have a Google Ads course at Digital Marketing by Ram where I teach all of this properly step by step. The link is in the description. Go check it out. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe. I put out content every week to people who want to do Google Ads seriously. See you in the next one.